Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all taking care of yourselves and the people around you. Today I have created another wacky makeup look. Yeah, I think I took it too far with the eyebrows. My apologies. I have a hard time knowing when to stop, obviously. I'm also going to be using my DIY tattoo stamps, which I made in my last DIY video. So I just want to see if I can actually use these in a makeup tutorial and, see if they are practical. I will link that DIY video in the description box if you want to check it out. Also, I just wanted to mention that I am using multiple palettes for this look. 4 palettes to be exact. I know that seems a little bit excessive, but to be honest, when I'm doing, more intricate, colorful makeup looks, I always use multiple palettes. So yeah, just wanted to let you know. I'll tell you right now the palettes that I will be using. So I have here the Smoke Show ColourPop palette. Then I have the Sparkling Cherry Limeade palette from Voss. The Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and then lastly the Color Festival palette from BH Cosmetics. So I think that's all I needed to say, so we will just get right into the tutorial. Okay, so this is going to be the moment of truth to see if I can get these stamps to work. I'm going to be using my CoverGirl liquid eyeliner. I did use the Essence liquid eyeliner in the DIY video, but I'm going to switch it up to see if that makes any difference. So yeah, we're going to start off with the moon shape tattoo stamp first. And I'm going to put some eyeliner on here. And let's see if I can get this to work. Ooh, okay. It's not perfect, but it's close. And it's the best shape I've had so far. I'm just going to fill it in, clean it up a little bit. My apologies, my son is playing in the background. Okay, so that's a pretty good moon. Oh my gosh, I took some makeup off my nose.
You took some makeup off on your nose.
I did take some makeup off on my nose. Okay, so that worked pretty good. Now we're going to move on to the star stamp. And I'm just going to put it above the moon. So please work, please work. Okay, let's try this one out. Oh, that was a little messy, but that's okay. It's a little bit messy. Let's see if I can clean it up a little bit. Oh, I don't know why. So yeah, that was totally my application. My hands are like so shaky.
My hands are like so shaky.
And that is my echo in the background. Okay, now I'm going to do some little dots quickly here. Okay, so that is the finished look. I'm pretty happy with the moon. I think the star works. I just have to work on my technique. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So yeah, you guys will have to let me know what you think of this look. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care and bye.